Hello students, welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing the chapter number systems. Now let's go for continuing this, and do remember this is 10th period of this chapter. You all know that we have already completed the chapter number system. All exercise sums are over. But as I told in the last class, only that much is not enough in the examination point of view. Some applied questions will be there. Hence, we need to go for some of the additional problems. Now, today I have come with some important additional problems. Now, we will move on to that. Here, first I have written the very first one, simplify. What should be simplified? Look here. We know that the third is of the form nth root of a. Is it possible to express that in power form or exponent form? Yes. You can write this as a raised to the power 1 by n. This is one of the law of exponent. Based on this, let's go for solving some of the problems. Look here. In the first one, it is cube root of 4 whole raised to the power 3 is there. Let's go for simplifying this. Now, could you tell what is the exponent form of cube root of 4? It can be written as 4 raised to the power 1 by 3. 4 raised to the power 3. This is equal to 4 raised to the power 1 by 3 into 3. 3 get cancelled. It is 4 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 4. Now, let's move on to second one. It is 4th root of 81. Then how to write this? Okay, 4th root of 81 is equal to, now we can write this as 81 as, we know that 81 it is the multiple of 3 as well as 9, hence it can be expressed as the power of 3. So 3 2s are 7s are. Then 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Here I'll write 4th root of 81, 4th root of 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4. Directly you can go for cancelling it. This is 4th root as well as power 4. It will be 3 raised to the power 1 is nothing but 3. Understood? Now, third one. Observe, this is important one. Little bit different. Square root of 625. Look here, to simplify this, first you have to consider the value of square root of 625. I'll keep that first square root as it is. What is the value of square root of 25? It is just 25. What is square root of 25? 5. So the value of square root of 625 is 5. Next, let's move on to secondly. Simplify, but here they have given two sets, two irrational numbers. Nth root of A into nth root of B. You can notice that in both the sets, order is same and radicands are different. This can be written as nth root of A into B. Got it? Okay. Based on this, let's go for solving these problems. Here, cube root of 2 into cube root of 32 is there. Observe it. Here two sets are there, their orders are same. Here is 3, here is 3. Hence you can write cube root of 2 into 32. Now it is equal to cube root of, what is 32 2s are? It is 64. Cube root of 64 can be written as 4 raised to the power 3, right? Because look here, 64, 4 1s are 4, 2 will remain, 24, 4, 6 are 24, then 4 4s are, so 4 cube. Cube root and cube get cancelled, 4 will remain. Clear? Okay, next. Come across another one. It is 5th root of 8 into 2 into, actually it should be 5th root of 6. Here also you can come to know that orders are same. Hence we can write fifth root of, it is 2 is here, 2. Now orders are same, I can write fifth root of 8 into 6. It is equal to 2 into fifth root of 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Is it possible to express this in the power of any number? Let's go for checking it out. 48 is there. You can write. It is 2. 2s are 4. Then 2. 12s are 2. It is 6 are 2. 3s are. So it can be written as 2 into fifth root of 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. Hence you can just keep this as it is. Enough. Next. Go through this one. Here 6 into root 12 into 9 into square root of 3. Here coefficient 6 and 9 are there. Multiply. 6 into 9 into square root. Order is same. Next 12 into 3. Now 6 9s are, it is 54 into square root of 12 3s are 36. 54 into 36, square root of 36 is 6. It is equal to multiply. 6 4s are 24, 2 is the carry. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 324. Got it? Yes. You can just go for copying from there to here quickly. Yes. Go to third one. Here, these problems are in this form. Nth root of a. Then how to write them? You can write it as m into nth root of a. This is, let's move on to first one. Look here. Cube root of fourth root of 2. This can be written as, okay, 3 into 4. 3 into fourth root of 2. It is equal to 3 4s are 12. 12th root of 2. If you want to write that in index form, you can write 2 raised to the power 1 by 12. Like this. Next. Here. Square root of cube root of 64. This is very simple. You can, here 2 will be there. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. You can write like this. 2 into 3 whole, 2 into 3 root 64. And 64 can be written like this. 2. 3s are 2s are 2. 1s are 6 are 2. 8s are 2. 4s are 2. 2s are. Now this is equal to 6th root of 64 and 6th root of 64 can be written as how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the power 6. 6th root and power 6 get cancelled. It is 2. You can also write this in another way as, look here. It is square root of cube root of 64. What is cube root of 64? 64 is nothing but 4 cube. Cube root of 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Cube root and cube get cancelled. It is equal to square root of remaining number is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. That's it. Next. Let's move on to another type. Simplify nth root of a whole divided by nth root of b. Look here. Here there are two sets. One is to be divided by another, but the order is same. Irrespective of the radicands, this can be written as nth root of a by b. Even if nth root of a by b is there, this can be written as nth root of a by nth root of b. Here also we can go for the same. Cube root of 27. Now cube is applicable to this also. Cube root of 64. What is cube root of 27? 27 is nothing but 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. You can write it directly, or else cube root of, you can write 3 cube and cube root of 64 can be written as 4 cube. cube root and cube. Cube root and cube get cancelled. It is 3 by 4. Got it? Next. Here, 4th root of 1008 by 63. Observe, it is somewhat different because these two are not in the form of any number whose power is 4. Hence, there is a chance of simplification by cancellation. The reason is 63 is the multiple of 3. 1008 is also the multiple of 3. Cancel them by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are. Then 3 3s are 9, 1 will remain 10. 3 3s are 9, 1 will remain 18. 3 6 are. Next, again these can be divided by 3. 3 7s are. And this is 3 1s are 1s are 2s are. 112 by 7. Is it possible to cancel? Look here, 7 1s are 7, 4 will remain 42. 7 6 are. 4th root of 16 can be written as, look here, 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 raised to the power 4. Now 4th root and power 4 get cancelled, 2 will remain. Got it? Next, let's move on to 5th one. And this is most important among all these. So I am going to put 3-star mark for this. Observe carefully. Find the value of 81 raised to the power 0.16 into 81 raised to the power 0.09. How do you go for solving this? Will you convert this in decimal into fraction? You just think over it. After thinking, come to my explanation. Observe. Here the given numbers are 81 whole raised to the power 0.16 into 81 whole raised to the power 0.09. Here they are given two exponents. In both, base is same, powers are different. Hence, you can go for using the law of exponent a raised to the power m into b a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. The same way, 81 whole raised to the power 0.16 plus 0.09. 81 whole raised to the power, you can just go for adding it. It will be 0.25, right? It is equal to 81 whole raised to the power 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. It is 1s are, this is 4s are. It is 81 whole raised to the power 1 by 4. And 81, we are also very familiar with 81 to be expressed as exponent like this. 81, 3, 27s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are. How many times? 3 is 4 times. You can write 3 raised to the power 4. Whole raised to the power 1 by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 1, which is equal to just 3. Okay, important one. Chance of asking in the examination for 1 mark. Please do remember. Now, please copy from there to here quickly. Yes, just go through. 6th one. This is also very important applied question. Observe. Find x if 5 raised to the power x minus 3 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8, that's equal to 225. Then how do you go for finding it? Just think over it. To find out that, you have to observe what possibilities are there. Okay, I write 5 raised to the power x minus 3 as it is. 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 as it is, which is equal to 225. Dear students, I have already told you that you should be perfect about the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25 as well as cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10, right? So that when you observe the number, any perfect square or perfect cube, immediately you will go for identifying that. Here 225, whether it is perfect square or perfect cube, it is perfect square. Then it is the square of which number? It is 15. So you can write this as 15 square. Now you just observe. Yes, there is a relationship among these three terms. Here 5, 3. Here 15. So, but we know that 5 3s are 15. Hence, it should be split up. 5 raised to the power x minus 3 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8. It is equal to 15 can be written as, how do you write? It is 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Whole square. Now I am applying the square directly. Here 5 square. Here 3 square. Clear? Okay. Now you just observe here. You can notice that here base 5. Here also base 5. Powers are different. Now you can go for writing this as 5 raised to the power x minus 3 by 5 square into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 by 3 square. Clear? These two are taken to the denominator. What will remain in the RHS? It is 1. Now it is, this can be written as, see, a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n. It is a raised to the power m minus n. Based on that, 5 raised to the power x minus 3. Take this to the numerator. Minus 2 into, this is 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8. Take 2 to the numerator. It will be minus 2 is equal to 1. Now 5 raised to the power, it is x minus 3 minus 2. It is minus 5 into 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8 minus 2. It is minus 10, which is equal to 1. Then how do you go for solving it? Again you just observe. Any chances are there? You have to, apart from these numbers, you have to observe what other possibilities are there. X minus 5, here 2x minus 10. Then here 2 can be taken as common factor. So 5 raised to the power x minus 5 into 3 whole raised to the power 2 into x minus 10. Sorry, x minus 5. When 2 is taken as common factor, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 5, 10. It is equal to 1. Here only I am going to complete it. This is equal to 5 raised to the power x minus 5 into 3 square is there. How do you write 3 square? It is 9 whole raised to the power x minus 5. This is equal to 1. Now look here. This is of the form a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. It is equal to a into b whole raised to the power m. Therefore, I can write it as 5 into 9 whole raised to the power x minus 5. Powers are same, but bases are different. Under that condition, you can write like this. It is equal to 1. What is 5 9s are? 45. 45 raised to the power x minus 5. 1. We all know that 1 is anything raised to the power 0. So I can go for writing 45 raised to the power 0. Only the reason is here 45 is there. If you take the same base, then you can go for equating the powers. As bases are same, I can write x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x equal to 5. This is the value of x. Here? Okay. Now, just observe the next one. It is find the value of this one. Very simple. 81 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 4. Then into 25 by 9 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Now, it is equal to, you know that 81 can be written in the exponent of 3, right? We are very familiar with that. 81 is, it is 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. I can write it as 3 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 4 into 25. We know that it is a perfect square. It is 5 square. 9 is also perfect square. 2 square whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Understood? Now here 4 and 4 get cancelled. Now this is 3 raised to the power minus 3 into, this can be written as 5 by 2 whole square, whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. Now this is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 3 into 5 by 2 whole raised to the power minus 3. This can be written as 1 by 3 raised to the power 3, because a raised to the power minus n is 1 by a raised to the power n. And this is 5 raised to the power minus 3 is there. You can go for taking this as 2 by 5 whole raised to the power 3. The reason is, if a by b whole raised to the power minus n is there, this can be written as b by a whole raised to the power plus n. It is equal to 1. Then here 1 by 2, 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Into, you can apply cube to both. 2 cube is 8, 5 cube is 125. It is equal to 8 by, you can go for multiplying this, 125 7s are, or else 27 5s are, 25 10s are 2, sorry, 27 5s are, 27 10s are 270, 5s are, it is 135. 113 is the carry. 27 2s are 54. 54 plus 13, 67. 6 is the carry. 27 ones are 27 plus 6, 33. 3,375. So 8 by 3,375. Okay. And now you just go for copying from there to here. Dear students, actually here we have taken, it is 9. 9 is, it is square of 3. So it should be 3 square. Therefore, just I am going to change the question only. Call it as 4. Then it will be 2 square. Here I will change this one. 4. This is a small correction. You have to make this. Yes. Just correct it. And this is another important problem. Just observe here. We are very familiar with this type. X equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. And you are going to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. You have already known the value of x. It is 3 plus 2 root 2. But we want 1 by x. Hence, I go for finding the value of 1 by x first. Okay. X equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Then 1 by x can be written as 1 by, what is x? 3 plus 2 root 2. In the denominator, 3 plus 2 root 2 is there. You just go for rationalizing. What is the conjugate of 3 plus 2 root 2? It is 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. This is equal to, here 1 into 3 minus 2 root 2 is, as it is, divided by, denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. What is a? 3. b, it is 2 root 2. It is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by, what is 3 square? 9 minus 2 into root 2 whole square. Observe, 2 square is 4. And root 2 whole square 2. Here square is applied to both 2 as well as root 2. It is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 by 9 minus 4 2s are 8. Here I will continue. It is 3 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by, what is 9 minus 8? It is 1. 3 plus 2 root, 3 minus 2 root 2. And we want the value of x plus 1 by x. Then what is x? It is 3 plus 2 root 2. Plus 1 by x is 3 minus 2 root 2. Now minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 get cancelled. 3 plus 3, 6. So x plus 1 by x value is 6. Yes, go for copying this. Now you go to the ninth one. It is, if x equal to root 5 minus root 2 whole divided by root 5 plus root 2, and y equal to 5 plus root 2 whole divided by 5 minus root 2. You are going to find out the value of x square plus xy plus y square. To find out the value of this statement, you must know x square, xy as well as y square. So let's go for finding one by one. Here, first I'll take x square. To take that x square, first I write x is equal to root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 plus root 2. So here we have a chance of rationalizing the denominator. Hence, I go for taking this. What is in the denominator? Root 5 plus root 2. What is its conjugate? Root 5 minus root 2 whole divided by root 5 minus root 2. It is equal to numerator. Root 5 minus root 2, root 5 minus root 2 is of the form a minus b whole square. According to that, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now here I'll write root 5, root 2, here root 5 and root 2. Denominator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square, where a is root 5, b is root 2. This is equal to. Next, see that square and root get cancelled. 5 plus 2 minus, it is 2 into, here root 5 into root 2. Order is same, hence you can go for multiplying the radicals. 5 2s are 10. Then denominator, square and root get cancelled. 5 minus 2. This is equal to, what is 5 plus 2? It is 7 minus 2 into root 10 whole divided by 5 minus 2. This is 3. Clear? Next, we want x square. This is x. Now we want x square. I go for finding that here. X square is equal to, here x is this much, x square 7 minus 2 root 10 whole square by 3 whole square. It is equal to, it is of the form again a minus b whole square. It is a minus b whole square, a square 7 whole square plus b square 2 into root 10 whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 7 into 2 root 10 whole divided by 3 square is 9. It is equal to 7 square is 49 plus 2 into root 10 whole square. What is 2 square? 4. Root 10 whole square 10. 10 4s are 40 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28 root 10 by 9. It is equal to, now 49 plus 40, it is 89 minus 28 root 10 whole divided by 9. Any chance of taking common factor? No, let it be as it is. Next, I go for taking xy. Xy we want, I'll take, where x is root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 plus root 2 into y is 5 plus root 2 by 5 minus root 2. Here in the question it should be root 5, root 5. Here I'll write root 5 by root 5. See that these two get cancelled and these two get cancelled. This will be 1. Next, we want y square. Hence first I go for taking y. It is root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. Take the conjugate. Root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 plus root 2. This is equal. It is of the form a plus b whole square. A square root 5 whole square 5. B square root 2 whole square 2. Plus 2ab. 2 into root 5 into root 2. It is 2 root 10. divided by, it is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root 5 whole square 5, root 2 whole square 2, it is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10 by, it is 3. Again, we want y square. Y can be written as, it is 7 plus 2 root 10 whole square by 3 whole square. It is equal to, now observe here, apply square, sorry, it is of the form a plus b whole square, a square 49, b square, I am writing directly, b square, apply square to both, 2 square is 4, root 10 whole square is 10, 10 fours are 40, plus 2ab, 2 into 7 into 2, 2 sevens are 14, 14 twos are 28, 28 root 10 divided by 9. It is also 89 plus 28 root 10 by 9. Here I write. So we got x square, this is xy, it is 1. Then y square, it is, this is. We want to find out the value of x square plus xy plus y square. This is equal to this x square. X square is 89 minus 28 root 10 by 9 plus xy is 1 plus y square is, this is 89 plus 28 root 10 by 9. It's equal to, take the LCM of the denominator. Denominator is 9. Now it is 89 minus 28 root 10 plus 1 into 9, 9. Then plus, here I am writing, it is 89 plus 28 root 10, 28 root 10. Now 20 minus 28 root 10 plus 28 root 10 get cancelled. Now 89 plus 9. 89 plus 9 divided by 9. It is equal to, add all this, 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27. 2 is the carry. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 187 by 9. This is the value. Okay? Let's copy from there to here. Yes. Observe. This is somewhat different. I am going to put star bar for this. If x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. See that if you go for taking root x, square root of 3 plus 2 root 2, we find it difficult to simplify. Even 1 by root x as well. Then how can it be solved? Here you want the value of root x minus 1 by root x. So without affecting that, let's go for writing in this way. Root x minus 1 by root x whole square. On squaring, you can write, it will be in the form a minus b whole square. That is a square 1 by root x whole square plus b square. So, a square root x whole square plus b square 1 by root x whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into a is root x and b is 1 by root x. Root x and root x get cancelled. Now this is equal to root x whole square. Square and root get cancelled, it is x. Here square and root get cancelled, it is 1 by x minus 2. Now see that. To get the value of root x minus 1 by root x, you can take this square as square root of RHS. Okay. Now let us do that later. Now we have x plus 1 by x minus 2. X is already given. We want 1 by x. Let us find out first. Here I'll write Observe this. X equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Then 1 by x, it is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Denominator, you can take the conjugate. 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. This is equal to, observe, numerator as it is 3 minus 2 root 2. Denominator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Apply the identity directly. A square minus b square. A square, 3 square is 9 minus b square, 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square, that is, what is 2 square? 4. Root 2 whole square, 2. 4 2s are 8. It is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1, because 9 minus 8 is 1. It is 3 minus 2 root 2. Clear? This is the value of 1 by x. Let me substitute that here. It is equal to, what is x? It is 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 by x, it is 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 2. Now, minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 get cancelled. What is 3 plus 3? 6 minus 2. It is equal to 4. We want the value of root x minus 1 by root x only. Hence, I write root x minus 1 by root x as square root of 4. Square is taken as root of RHS. What is square root of 4? It is 2. Therefore, the value of root x plus 1 by root x is 2. Got it? Let's go for copying from here to there. Observe this, 11th one. Even this is also important one. The question is, prove that 2 raised to the power 30 minus 2 raised to the power 29 plus 2 raised to the power 28 whole raised to the power 2 raised to the power 31 plus 2 raised to the power 30 minus 2 raised to the power 29 equal to 7 by 10. To prove this one, will you go for finding the value of 2 raised to the power 30? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 30 times. It is time consuming method, right? Even you find it very difficult to get the answer. But you can notice that in numerator and denominator we have three terms. 2 raised to the power 30, here 29, 28. So we have a chance of taking common factor. Is it not? Yes. Even in denominator also. So for proof, I go for taking first LHS part. What is in the LHS part? It is 2 raised to the power 30 minus 2 raised to the power 29 plus 2 raised to the power 28 divided by 2 raised to the power 31 plus 2 raised to the power 30 minus 2 raised to the power 29. In both, you just observe which one has least power. It is 2 raised to the power 28. So can we take 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor? Yes. When you take 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor, here 2 raised to the power 30 is there. This can be written as 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power 2. Look here. Bases are same, powers are different. Add them. 28 plus 2, 30. Understood? Now we have taken 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor, remaining 2 raised to the power 2. Minus. Here 2 raised to the power 29 is there. 29, 2 raised to the power 29 can be written as 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power 1. 28 is taken as common factor, it will be 2 raised to the power 1. In the question, here actually this is plus sign. You make it as plus sign. Okay, this is plus. Now, it is 2 raised to the power 28. We have taken already 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor. It will be 2 raised to the power 28 into 2 raised to the power 0. So it will be 2 raised to the power 0 divided by 2 raised to the power 31. Here also I go for taking 2 raised to the power 28 as common factor. 31 is there. Here 2 cube. Here 30 is there. 2 square. Here minus 2 raised to the power 29 is there. 2 raised to the power 1. It is equal to Now these two get cancelled. What is 2 square? 4. 2 raised to the power 1, 2. 2 raised to the power 0, 1. 2 cube, 8. 2 square, 4 minus 2. It is 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 8 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 7 by 10, which is RHS. Okay. Please go for copying this. Observe. Here we have one more statement. This is also very important one. I put star mark for this. Proof. Observe the LHS part. Here in the LHS part, 2 raised to the power a by 2 raised to the power b whole raised to the power a plus b into 2 raised to the power b by 2 raised to the power c whole raised to the power b plus c into 2 raised to the power c by 2 raised to the power a whole raised to the power c plus a is there. When you simplify, you should get 1. This is equal to, just observe the terms which are in the brackets. 2 raised to the power a by 2 raised to the power b. This can be written as 2 raised to the power a minus b whole raised to the power a plus b. Did you understand? We all know that a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. I have written so. Now into here 2 raised to the power b by 2 raised to the power c, it is 2 raised to the power b minus c whole raised to the power b plus c into 2 raised to the power c by 2 raised to the power a can be written as 2 raised to the power c minus a whole raised to the power c plus a. This is equal to, again we know that it is of the form a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n each term. This can be written as a raised to the power m into n. Hence I can write 2 raised to the power a minus b into a plus b into, this is 2 raised to the power b minus c into b plus c into 2 raised to the power c minus a into c plus a. Now this is equal to, observe how these are. These terms are in the form a plus b into a minus b. See that? A plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. It is 2 raised to the power a square minus b square into 2 raised to the power. This can be written as b square minus c square into 2 raised to the power c square minus a square. Now observe, here bases are same, powers are different. You can go for using a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m plus n. I can write this as 2 raised to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now observe, minus a square plus a square minus b square plus b square get cancelled. Minus c square plus c square get cancelled. So what will remain in the power? It is, when all get cancelled, it will be 0. 2 raised to the power 0. We know that anything raised to the power 0, it is 1. Again, according to the law of exponent, a raised to the power 0 equal to 1. So which is RHS. Clear? See that RHS is 1. It is important one. I go for putting one more star mark for this. Please copy. We have one more problem. Observe. You are going to prove that the LHS part, that is 1 by 1 whole divided by 1 plus x raised to the power a minus b plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus x raised to the power b minus a, that is equal to 1. Let's go for proving that 1 whole divided by, see that this one, 1 plus x raised to the power a minus b. We know that a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. If a raised to the power m minus n is there, it can be written in this form. I am also going to write the same. It is x raised to the power a by x raised to the power b. Got it? Plus 1 by whole divided by 1 plus, very important, x raised to the power b by x raised to the power a. Now this is equal to 1 whole divided by, here you can go for simplifying this. Take the LCM, x raised to the power b. Multiply LCM with first term, x raised to the power b. Plus multiply LCM with second term, get cancelled, x raised to the power a. Plus again 1 whole divided by, this is, we have to simplify this one. What is LCM? X raised to the power a. Multiply it with first term, x raised to the power a. Multiply LCM with second term, get cancelled, x raised to the power b. Now let me go for writing here. This is equal to, here, this can be written as 1 into, it is p by q form. Take the reciprocal, it is q by p. Hence we can write this as x raised to the power b by x raised to the power b plus x raised to the power a. I hope that you have understood. Look here. Here I'll write. If it is 1 by a by b is there, this can be written as 1 into b by a. The same way we have written that. Next, plus 1 by this p by q form. It is q by p. It is x raised to the power a by x raised to the power a plus x raised to the power b. Now you take the LCM of this denominator. This will be x raised to the power a plus x raised to the power b. Same terms are there. Numerator, x raised to the power b plus x raised to the power a. You cannot cancel like this. Got it? Numerator terms, same, x raised to the power a plus x raised to the power b. Denominator terms, x raised to the power a plus x raised to the power b. So now you can go for cancelling them. On cancelling, you will get 1 which is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. LHS equal to RHS. Understood? Let's copy from there to here. Now we have one more problem. Let's go through this. 9 raised to the power n into 3 square into 3 raised to the power minus n by 2 whole raised to the power minus 2 minus 27 whole raised to the power n whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3m 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 27. If it is so, then we have to prove that m minus n equal to 1. So now for proving that, I go for taking the whole statement, both LHS and RHS. It is 9 raised to the power n into 3 square into 3 raised to the power minus n by 2 whole raised to the power minus 2 minus 27 whole raised to the power n whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 cube. This is equal to 1 by 27. When you observe this whole statement, LHS and RHS, you can come to know that most of the terms are the multiples of 7. And even they can be expressed in the exponent form of 3. Right? Here 9 is there. 9 can be written as, it is 3 square. Right? 3 square is 9. Whole raised to the power n into 3 square as it is. Here observe minus into minus plus 2 and 2 get cancelled into 3 raised to the power n will remain minus 27 is there. 27 can be written as 3 9s are 3 3s are, that is 3 into 3 into 3. It is 3 raised to the power 3 whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 cube, which is equal to 1 by 27. Again you can go for writing this as 3 cube. Now observe this one. Here 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power n, that means 3 raised to the power 2n. Here 3 raised to the power 1n is there. So 3n plus 1n, it is 3n. Hence we can write this as 3 raised to the power 3n into 3 square minus 3 cube whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 cube. This is equal to 1 by 3 cube. Did you understand? It is 3 raised to the power 2n into 3 raised to the power n is 2n plus 1n, it is 3n. Next, here I will continue. Observe this one. You can come to know that here 3 raised to the power 3 is there, here 3 square is there. Is it possible to take common factor? Of course. How do you go for? Let me tell you that. Look here we have 27 whole raised to the power n. 27 is nothing but 3 cube. It is whole raised to the power n. Then here 3 cube whole raised to the power n. This can be written as 3 raised to the power 3n. Now in this whole statement 3 raised to the power 3n is common factor. Into what will remain? Here 3 square will remain minus 3 raised to the power 3n is taken as common factor. 1 will remain. Whole divided by 3 raised to the power 3m into 2 cube. It is equal to 1 by 3 cube. Observe this. 3 raised to the power 3n into what is 3 square? 9. 9 minus 1? 8 by 3 raised to the power 3m into what is 2 cube? That is also 8. It is equal to 1 by 3 cube. Understood? Now 8 and 8 get cancelled. We can write this as 3 raised to the power 3n minus 3m, because when denominator term goes to the numerator, power becomes negative. It is equal to, this is 3 raised to the power minus 3. Bases are same. Now you can just go for equating powers. 3n minus 3m equal to minus 3. You just take 3 as common factor. n minus m equal to minus 3. And this can be, you can just go for cancelling. N minus m is equal to minus 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 will remain. N minus m equal to minus 1. Multiply both the sides by minus 1, because in the statement what we are going to do is m minus n equal to 1. Hence multiply minus 1 on both the sides. It will be n becomes minus n, minus m becomes plus m. It is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1. Hence it is proved. Clear? Yes. Go for copying from there to here. Now we are moving to the last problem of this chapter. Observe it. We know how to rationalize the denominator if the given number has only 2 terms in the denominator. But here you can notice that 3 terms are there. The question is, rationalize the denominator of this number. Then how do you go for? So under such condition, to get the conjugate, you may go for grouping by taking two terms, either first 2 or the last 2. Anyone can be taken. So I write like this. Okay. The given number is, that is, it is 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 plus root 3, I make it as one number. Plus root 10. Now see that this is considered as one term. This is second term. Got it? Now we can take the conjugate. Conjugate of, it is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 10 is, it is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10. If the conjugate of root x plus root y is there, we used to take root x minus root y in the same way. Now let me write the given number. The given number is 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 10. Now multiply the conjugate. It is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10 whole divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10. Now this is equal to, observe the numerator term as it is. It is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10. Whereas denominator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square. Here I write a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we can write this as root 2 plus root 3 whole square minus root 10 whole square. A square minus b square. This is equal to, here I write root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10. Whereas denominator, you just observe, this is of the form a plus b whole square, where a plus b whole square is, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Got it? Now I am going to expand it directly. A square root 2 whole square 2, b square root 3 whole square 3 plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 2 root 6 minus root 10 whole square is there, square and root get cancelled, 10. Let me continue that here. Observe numerator, it is as it is, that is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10 divided by, what is 2 plus 3? It is 5. 5 minus 10 minus 5. So 2 root 6, yeah, 2 plus 3 5 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. Okay. Now it is equal to, again you can go for taking the conjugate of this denominator. We have two terms. Here I write conjugate of 2 root 6 minus 5 is 2 root 6 plus 5. Now this is equal to, I am continuing this. It is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 10 whole divided by 2 root 6 minus 5 into, conjugate of this is 2 root 6 plus 5 by 2 root 6 plus 5. Clear? It is equal to, observe. Now here we have 3 terms, here we have 2 terms. Let's do one thing. Let us multiply each term with both. I'll write root 2 into 2 root 6 plus 5. Next, plus root 3 into 2 root 6 plus 5 minus root 10 into 2 root 6 plus 5 whole divided by, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 root 6 whole square minus 5 whole square. This is equal to, observe, now multiply this root 2 with both the terms. 2 as it is, root 2 into root 6, it is root 12 because 2 6 are, plus root 2 into 5, it is 5. Now this is coefficient as it is, root 3 into root 6, root 18, 3 6 are 18, plus root 3 into 5, 5 root 3. Now minus 10 into 2 root 6, minus as it is, coefficient as it is, root 10 into root 6, root 60. Minus into plus minus, root 10 into 5, 5 root 10 whole divided by, apply square to both. What is 2 square? 4. Root 6 whole square? 6. 4 6 are 24 minus 5 whole square 25. Got it? And now it is equal to, now let us go for simplifying this. Observe every term. Okay, in the numerator 2 root 12 is there. In 12 can be expressed as the product of factors, and in that 1 should be perfect square. See, the 12 is written as 4 3s are, right? 4 is a perfect square. I'll write 4 into 3 plus 5 into root 2 as it is, because it cannot be split up. 2 into, where 18 can be written as 9 2s are, 9 is a perfect square, plus 5 into root 3 minus 2 into, here 60 is there, 60 can be written as 4 into 15, see 4 is a perfect square, minus 5 into root 10 should be written as it is, whole divided by 24 minus 25 minus 1. Now here I'll write, it is equal to, now see that root 4 can be taken out. What is the value of root 4? 2. When it is taken out, it will be 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 into root 3 plus 5 into root 2. Next, what is square root of 9? It is 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 into root 2. 6 into root 2. Next, plus 5 into root 3 minus, here I'll write minus, here square root of 4 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into root 15. 4 into root 15 minus 5 root 10 whole divided by minus 1. It is, now you just go for taking like terms. Here 4 root 3, 5 root 3, these two. It will be 9 root 3 plus 5 root 2, 10 root 2. Root 2, root 2 is there. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 root 2. Next, minus 4 into root 15 minus 5 into root 10 divided by minus 1. Okay. Now multiply minus with all the terms. It will be, it is minus 9 root 3 minus 11 root 2 plus 4 root 15 plus 5 root 10. Okay? Yes. Got it? Here 5 root 10 plus 5 root 10. Now, see, this is the method of rationalizing the denominator. When in the denominator, if 3 terms are there. Okay. So now you have to copy from there to here. And before pausing the video, just listen to me. So with this, the chapter has been completed. We have solved all the problems that are given in your textbook, maybe worked examples or exercise questions. In addition with that, we have solved some of the additional problems by taking from reference books as well as the previous year question papers. Dear students, please do practice till you become perfect. Okay? And with respect to this chapter, coming Sunday, we are going to conduct the unit test. Get ready for that. So, with this, let us stop the class. Before that, one information, from tomorrow onwards, we can start the new chapter, that is polynomials. Okay? Yes. With this, let us stop. Thank you.